In this video, we will show you how to replace your tailgate on this Dodge Dakota. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is safely open up the tailgate. Once you have that down, you're going to continue on to each of your tailgate cables. To remove these, you'll notice up where it connects to the bed of the vehicle, you have a locking tab. To easily take this out of position, we'll lift up on the tailgate to remove the tension. Use a small pry bar or screwdriver, pry up on that tab, and lift up the cable. We'll give those cables a quick inspection as we move along and do the same to the other side. At this point, it's important to make sure that you're still holding onto that tailgate. We're going to pay attention along the passenger side hinge. On this, you'll find that it's slotted, and you have to come up at an angle, lifting this up diagonally to remove the tailgate from the vehicle. We'll come at approximately this angle, being careful for any pinch points, and lift up on the tailgate. Once you have the passenger side dislodged, we can continue on by grabbing that tailgate, and we're going to pull the entire thing towards the passenger side of the vehicle while lifting. Remove your tailgate. All right, let's get ready for our installation. Pay attention along the driver's side. You'll notice on the bed you have the area that protrudes out, and on the tailgate you have a cup that goes over that. Let's take that tailgate and put it in position over that area. Now we can make our way to the passenger side. We'll make sure we're holding onto those cables. Looking at this hinge, remember that it's slotted. It needs to fit over the mounting tab. There we are. Continue on to each of your mounting cables. Check the cable functionality. Close the tailgate.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.